Shout out to all my subscribers. Yes, you watching. I love you. What is going on, everyone? The GoJax is back with another reaction video for you guys today, and today we're going to be reacting to another video. Now, this title I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce, but I was like, somebody requested me to react to it. I was like, oh, okay. I'm not even like, I don't even like know what language this is, but I don't know what this is. He's like the opening thing. He's like sitting. I guess he's gonna sing a song. I have no idea what this is. But original link will be in the description down below, you know, to the video. So go check that out. And you know, first video seen of mine. Do me a personal favor, hit the subscribe button because I love you, and I will give you a cookie if you subscribe. That and a homemade paper airplane, and I'll draw a goat on it for you. Let's get into this reaction video. Let's go. Okay. Dinash.
Where to find you?
Okay, he got vocals. He got vocals.
I don't know how to reach you. I hear your voice.
Oh wow,
in the way.
that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm getting the feels.
And my soul, I wait for you.
Oh, switch it up.
You'll be my house. Close my eyes and then away.
Oh wow.
It's okay. I want so far. I want so nothing more to explain. I know I've got to fate. It's another place. If you know where to find me, if you know how to reach me, people just about to to leave my heart, said to give me your love, whatever comes.
God, that was beautiful. Wow. That was beautiful. Like, I had to chill through that whole entire thing. That was beautiful. Oh my God, that's what I'm talking about. Like, this world we live in is so much talent from everywhere. And you guys know on my channel, I try to explore, you know, every culture of music. Because music is one way to unite everybody. Like, just from hearing all these different artists in different locations around the world, it's insane to me. It's like, and it's crazy how the internet brings everything together. Like, that's just insane to me. Original link will be in the description down below. That was awesome. Check that out. Definitely check that out. Definitely check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for making it to the end. And tell me what you're react to next in the comments down below. So this has been the Go Yaks. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe though. Do not forget.